Hi guys, welcome to this video. Remember the video I made about Windows 11 and the fact that the screen resolution was just rubbish? So I looked it up, how to fix Windows 11 screen resolution in VirtualBox. So this is a good place to start. Basically they say go get the VirtualBox guest editions, right? So it's a video that's afterwards, right? Everything is already installed, already working. Let's see that I can get it here. Voila. So Windows 11 is now by default on display. It used to be gray, this thing, display resolution, and it used to provide wrong elements as well, wrong design. So this one is my default resolution. This is the one I want, right? But it's now available. It was not available prior. So if you want to have a Windows 11 that's big, shut down, there are two things to have a look at. That's one, the settings. No, not the settings, I believe, but make sure this is correct. So I'll just show you. There's nothing to set here really. When you start it up and not do a Control F, then you see some indication of possibilities. This is what we need, right? But this might also be helpful for yourself, scaling or something, or resizing. I went into this one as well and changed it to 1920, 1080, so that might have been the trick, right? But the thing is, in the video they explain you need to insert a guest edition CD image, and I did that. So I downloaded this thing, and it's normally two screens that you get. Do you want to download? Yes, download. Do you want to insert? Yes, insert. And then you go to the full screen, right Control F again, and then you have this this PC. You got this extra CD-ROM basically on your system, and in the video they say something like right mouse click, and then you have up here something like run or install or something. So that's a setting that we don't have at this point in time. So I went into open and I ran this guy, VBox Windows Editions. There's not much to tell about it. So he knows I'm on 64, so he's gonna launch that one, and then next, 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 install. That's all I did. So the extra software is available for Windows 11 to take advantage of. Then you need to reboot. And hopefully this works as well for you, so that we have a VirtualBox with Windows 11 in full capacity of your screen, whatever screen you're on. So again, think about the other option. That's the one inside the virtual machine, Control F. Maybe this did the trick, I don't know, right? Just saying. See if that's the reason why everything is working now just fine. So I'll include the link to the video that I followed, and off you go, experiment with Windows 11 in VirtualBox on ArcoLinux. Cheers. Let's find me, where is the simple screen recorder? Yeah, bye.